Vertical composition. Create a 1/18 scale commercial sculpture from the image, in a realistic style, in a real-life environment. The sculpture has a transparent acrylic base, with no text on the bade. The content on the computer screen is the ZBrush modeling process of the figure. Next to the computer screen is a frame containing the photo printer with the original artwork.